pomede no so ye
ye den nyame ase
yeah of course
obode ama yan kwan die
and the most important
so what you say
the aka bia de yemfofo
na no na me ni madam fo bi din komo no se na o hwehwe ade bi antoma ma no ene ya unyakra obenu medura wu
onya abotre
I'm telling you serious matter o na me ka che ne say utimi didi utimi nu musio wapo muden ho eno so ekoyie utimi movie wo ho
ana o se sai
ene o se otimi ni nyina ni dia me kan nyina o se otimi ye na so don't complain danyame ase ne bom pa ye say
of course
emre panye den
ebeba
emra gab ni yenji nkomo kakra
okay
enra na me wo krum ena me hu Mohamed Salah post no abra say his time at Liverpool no over. Now when I saw the news, it was a bittersweet there Brofubeka a bittersweet moment for me, because Ushe Mohamed Salah and the impact that he has made our Liverpool team and what he could have still achieved, but Nhyira was able to see it, say it is wise for him to leave at this point. It told me a lot about the personality and the type of human being Mohamed Salah Nagab Mohamed Salah no, his story is a very peculiar one. You will not get a lot of players who have the kind of lifestyle and story like Mohamed Salah.
Okay.
And when we say obi wo abrabomuna or born abrabona or who say our potential or the passion or what it takes to get to the top, that person becomes restless. Unstopped that until he gets to that place that he's looking to get to. Mohamed Salah is that type of player. Look at humble beginnings. Enka obi catch Mohamed Salah in this state say, wo one day we any party for Liverpool, breaking records, scoring goals, becoming somebody who would rise to the occasion. Me say kono kwa ko believe it.
Of course.
I don't think so.
Oh, the words you know dia. Dia say inside.
What shows?
And I bottle no the head bottom man as you crown.
Say bottle, say you, say Mago, say Jago. But look at Mohamed Salah at this point in his life.
There won't crowd to be where they are bottle. Where they are, there
bottle nation bottle no. Bagab. Mohamed Salah has proven, say, through the changing scenes of life in a footballer's career, if you want to get to the top, everything is in your hands. Fiorentina mo. He was showing signs of promise. Said, this is who I am. Okobo FC Basel mo. Okobo Roma mo. It was clear. Said this guy has something, but the platform was not given to him enough to showcase what he had. No. Mention a video na me di hun komo na me share other responses and also the teammates and some more can.
Yeah.
And I'm here say let me just go and Google something. Let me Google, has there been any point in Mohamed Salah life? Obeka said this was the turning point in my life. I just me call Google keke and I'm me so. And the mommy response will or say yes. Mohamed Salah has explicitly discussed the mindset that defines his perseverance, particularly regarding his difficult early experiences at Chelsea.
I know can come back and once.
Or say he has identified a specific moment of adversity as the turning point of his career resilience. Or say his most defining quote regarding his perseverance is, I still also say this to the most important period of my life, when I went to Chelsea. Because when I started to struggle there, I was like, okay, so now what? Are you going to be an average player or do you want to be a really good player? Gab, in life, no, I was so ultimate bisa who questions and answer that question yourself. As a football player, if you want to get to the top, now when bisa who questions are, and you say, "Hey, you mambisa now pe." Young boy and share. Okay, we should say, okay, any could do but you can clearly see that there was a passion in him. What about what Chelsea under Mourinho? You know the story. Onyebimbo, you didn't free bench, Oba, Onyade, or struggle, but through it all, he was asking himself questions. Now, who share these two players are? There's a reason why I brought this guy, Kevin De Bruyne.
Okay.
Because Omunyana under Mourinho had a very difficult time.
Yeah.
And look at the big things that Kevin De Bruyne and Sukoye were free Chelsea. And my reports crowd say a player like Kevin De Bruyne echoed Jose Mourinho and him with a suit. Say one member be the enemy, I'm free. And Jose Mourinho say, okay, a quite no MBT, open crowd call and family. But look at what the two of them have gone on to do in their career. It tells you a lot, Gab, that as a player, perseverance will conquer all difficulties. Now, who will be now unim say there's a big thing ahead of you. Now, if you don't go for it, nobody will go for it for you. It's a picture where me fepa because never give up. Was that day? Omuba back to Anfield.
Now Fifi can was.
Now Fifi can was Wabra. Barcelona echo Chao 3-0, and they were coming back to Anfield. This is a summary of the life of Mohamed Salah. I think about Chogun shirt in this one. This is a summary of his life.
And go back to
yes,
they are not the coach now. No,
would I be an average player or I want to be a good player?
But it's a matter of problem identification.
Okay,
you have to identify
the problem first, and then now you work towards solving it.
Yeah.
Because if so many people can identify the problem for themselves, but how to work out the problem and solve it is a problem.
Yeah.
But a player like Mohamed Salah, Gab, at the twilight of his career at Liverpool, knowing very well, say, this is it. I've done everything I can. So that's what I say. Because we'll be our signing 2 years contract last April there. But he knows, say, the Liverpool team is moving on from him.
Okay.
And Liverpool, I think this season, it's important for us to note Nhyira or go through. Diego Jota,
yeah.
I think we have underestimated how impactful that news was to the team. Now, it sums up the whole season for Liverpool.
Yeah.
The reason why we can cut them some slack and say, Mofa this season, and
then you wake up the next
season. Wake up next season because now Omato new players. And when we say almost the injury, they will have to nurse those injuries and prepare themselves well for next season. So Mohamed Salah, this is a good decision for me.
Okay.
Because someone who say, I have done my part, I've played my role. Now it's time to hand over the baton to the it shouldn't be a difficult thing to do.
And it's not a first time or identifying them maybe say where they can be Chelsea time.
Very good.
And they go very well.
Very good.
And a second one.
We have seen it again.
Same in the Premier League.
Yes.
Okay.
So I really respect players who can dance on the stage, and when it's time to go,
okay,
they respect the stage enough and they leave. And that is Abranti, our friend Mohamed Salah. Now he has 281 total goal contributions in the Premier League, 189 goals, 92 assists, and is the most, and that is the most any player has done in the clubs for one club in the division's history, which is Premier
League.
1992,
no?
Since 92, no.
Okay.
Gab, what shows that this guy is not one of the best players that has ever played football? Look at the statistics since 2017-18. Our joining Liverpool. 189 goals, 92 assists, 534 open play chances created, 1,000 and over shots, 480 on target, 2,700 touches in the opposition box. Come on. There's no player who has done it more than this guy. I really respect Mohamed Salah for Adia Waye Enra. to look at everything he has done in football history and say enough is enough. Now, Gab, and now Namubisa Jurgen Klopp assembly say now that Mohamed Salah is leaving, what do you feel about it? Okay, I was my dream and I laughed. Or say Mohamed Salah is a difficult player to manage, and at the same time he's not a difficult player to manage.
Okay.
And Namubisa is on chance here. Or say the only time I'll be near same with Mohamed Salah, they say we win a free match or bomb match, now we win a free match on pay. And that tells you mindset are konukura because match new year win a free match by then.
When so betting
baby, so I shot 3 goals crown up so obo no she become.
Okay.
That is a champion's mindset, and his coach who has coached him for so long can even bear witness with that. Say obo match now win a free match and only nyasem. So and also recently na yeah benchino and a slot. As an
yeah,
it's a summary of who he is. Because I'm playing my football, I know what I can do. But once you decide to take me off, once you decide to sideline me, once you decide to bench me, the signal you are sending to me is that you do not need me necessarily. And he has been able to make that decision for himself. I respect Mohamed Salah so much. I think he has done his part. He has done so well. Football will forever remember him for Ejuma Wedi Ewo Liverpool. And Gabi Efiwa na me pese me di nkomo kakra about Antoine Griezmann because ononso enra or the two just was signing am Orlando City Ewo US. Now he is also living at a time where he will get a lot of applause because wa born humodin Ewo team my friend Atletico Madrid played so well Ofriho and came back again, which shows his love for the team. Any coach I friend Diego Simeone. So he made the decision. He said after the season has ended, he wants to move on. I think that's some good piece of news for Brantiano. But Adi Bakumbe ne
trophy no.
Oh, we need La Liga Bakukran San Wufria. And look at the number of seasons he has played.
I think they now me year story. I think starting from 2019 or so. But between Barcelona and Atletico and Sokoha no Abaha.
Yeah.
One unfortunate thing a woman say, "Oh, move ako Barcelona no. Oh, move ya na Atletico ajibibi." Ufi Barcelona and so Atletico ada Barca so ajibibi.
So that is what I say in the life of every player. No, the trophies are the things that will make you know that you have achieved something.
Yeah.
I can assume say it was a difficult decision for him to make.
Yeah.
But on the life, and in the age, any idea why he can tell himself say, "Masa, enough is enough." Yeah. So I need to now start a journey which would crown my career and help me to end my career well. And I think that is what Abranti Efreno, Antoine Griezmann, episode Nagab. And now. And I mean, who are dear now, me who am I say, eh, be free. Or you serious and I say, you're grubbing Odi.
Oh, there be Caicedo, dear. I say, quite fast with the journey Chelsea.
Okay.
And even the narration on how Brighton and you can say Liverpool, or more conversation, or bear arriving so about Chelsea, Chelsea say, or Chelsea.
Or determined so Chelsea.
Yeah.
Gab, to me, no. I want to believe say I grown Woody.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Are they?
Gab, I like Moise Caicedo. Don't take that away from me. In fact, Ubisame, the top 5 players, are very dedicated to Chelsea. He will be my number 1 or number 2.
Okay.
But I say it is easy to say some of these statements. Wabra, Nhyira, because he has a contract with Chelsea. And to respect that contract and to respect the team, no, it is important. Say so, Pierre Bontia, you be so a Simbia, Uncle Camp, the contract said the Enzo Fernandez came.
Okay.
Enzo Fernandez also know a World Cup winner. Into the maybe or can he knows what he's talking about.
Okay.
On official here, because he looks like Obi already divided attention. That's I don't have a problem with that. But I am happy he has said this. Story next year and it's likely say only the implications of say Enzo Fernandez abeka say Onyaro Madrid obeko now also you bisa wa now also akọ say Onyaro Madrid obeko Okane sa enye yie. Okane sa e be ka say any asema to Chelsea. Ana de make no mean say what else what else
there. We free ban.
Ontimi nkoka say opese o join Real Madrid. Wa bra within a few days ago. Enzo Fernandez and so the same statement. That is the reason why I think he's saying this.
Okay. And just okay mo nya obeko.
Oh, God. When you Real Madrid uncle. Say you bisa Reece James the same thing. Oh no, car said there be no the Chelsea there. I'll stay. And he matched the words with action by signing a new contract.
Okay.
In general, sending the different kakra.
Okay.
Plus also a English boy. Meaning so what the American say.
And the rank of the academy ranks now.
Good.
Or the free mo.
But look at Moy. Me say Moy in Real Madrid obeko. God been a make a show. But what mean can because can't send
we from me any blasters
Arsenal so more problems. On say and now me because say my Arsenal fans they shouldn't be worried because they will win the league.
Yeah.
But God, this morning I'm worried.
Yeah, I'm
worried. I'm worried because say more injury situations sir. Entimi ama mrantie we nyina anko international.
Oh yes, so say a minor injuries be there.
A very minor we protect you. But on say if you are ending the season and these things are coming up, any good optics so. Gab, and I won't see the mechanism. I want to pray and believe that there are minor issues.
Because Omunyina are key players.
Good. But if a ban say a serious there, a be harding. Now the middle year crown say United answer this window be after the World Cup, that is the transfer window. No, it looks like United for any upgrade. They want to make some deals. A branch of friend Marsley with Skelly, our born ball Arsenal. It looks like Manchester United for Dinechi. If they can get him there, I think it will help them to replace Luke Shaw or left back or same as Bruno Guimaraes. Also a very good player. Omunya na Abebua. Now it looks very clear. Say Kobe Menu and Subenya the new contract. Manchester United and Manchester City so Eddie. A branch of friend Sandro Tonali. We'll see whether they can get him. Now the immediate chat or Michael Carrick. And now only to just say between Michael Carrick and now. Julian Nagelsmann and Enrique looks like Onubeye favorite to maintain the United job. Gab, do you think it's a good idea?
Media say me Makanse the way we say on say recent football na ya born players ni omo coaches no. So when your players are omo pe coach na nkasa. Good. Na so coach ni show glimpses say onimadwuma na ye kakra.
Yeah.
Eya na ta fa dan coach ni onimadwuma no pa. But na players no I say yempe no yenye say ebasa emati
kakra.
But ono ne time there boys dey behind ono.
Yes.
And aside the big boys of Manchester United are woman almost solid tria almost tria not as ama problems about and only Manchester system no
exactly
why yeah Manchester assistant coach
for a long time
and Kolanu nyina no only Manchester ni enti me there me visa come the mama ke kareka you Kenya bad for Luis Enrique because Enrique tells baby obeko bia no matter what
he has the
adwuma and no ho there Junior Nagelsmann wo no negos ewo ho no ba why style of fire set tomato tell mo one yen say ah media may say
machine German machine
one yen say na me so dancing between that there na Manchester Paul Masum there because papa we all be demanding cancel lot of demands on Manchester and so nonsense so mo imagine some person to talk gidi akese bia maintain way kakra.
I think the right man for the job is Carrick.
Maintaining kakra.
And the reason here very simple. Or take it over from Amorim no. It looks like the players are more comfortable with him.
Yes.
The only thing and Eben say me feel say I was say omo next season they will play more games to qualify for Champions League now. Course. They will have to know how to manage those games. That's the only thing.
Okay.
But in terms of the right person, no, I think he's the one. You didn't see her.
Me say, Joseph two Anna watching Kano on the tactical front na yedin komo Manchester and komo no esia deja. Me na kwabena ne entine we nya bia kwabena na dem kabima mu kabia mo papa me nu ni asembia. Yamla Black Stars na your friendly game no